The Nova 5 series was unveiled by Huawei in China 2 months back, but there was no mention of a 5T model in the lineup. Today we'll be taking a look at this special variant that's just launched here in Malaysia. The Nova 5T sports a 6.26-inch full-view display with a punch-hole notch in the top left corner. To the right side of the phone, you'll find the volume rocker and a fingerprint sensor/power button. On the rear is an incredibly reflective glass back and also a quad camera setup. Powering the phone is the Kirin 980 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. There's also the 3750 mAh battery that has support for 22.5W supercharge. Onto the cameras, the 4 cameras on the back include a 48MP main shooter, a 16MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. The selfie camera is a 32MP shooter with AI HDR Plus algorithm and 4-in-1 pixel fusion for clearer selfies. If all this seems a little familiar, that's because the Nova 5T is pretty identical to the Honor 20 that launched not too long ago. The real change will probably be this new purple colorway with Nova branding stamped all over. The Nova 5T will also come in black and blue colorways. The Nova 5T retails for 1,599 ringgit and will go on sale on the 7th of September. And as always, like and share this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell icon to get notified of all future videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!